I saw some companies that were trying to use chatbots, for example, to sell products or to do a kind of chatbot support to the users, but it's totally different to use that. For example, when you can have a fluid conversation with the customer, that this is very cool, this is important to do. Then use the Gen AI to do some calculations, for example, and use other kind of data. I think that is very cool for certain kind of uses on this data, but not to be public, not to be exposed to all the users. I think that is the balance that you have to do, when to use these. I saw some, for example, a company that was trying to use an investment center and do a chatbot using Gen AI. But the point is the users are attacking the investment center, getting the LLM to do some wrong recommendations, and then suing the company because of these. This is the use that we are talking about, the risk to use the Gen AI in certain points.
Even in like a simple application, I think I was reading a case where you are using AI to answer back emails. They can game that to get private information from other mails and stuff like that because it has access to your entire inbox. So I don't know where it's going to head out, but giving access of all the data to an AI, I think it's a bad idea, at least where it stands today.
Well, and I think this is where, as a user, businesses are going to have policies. And this is going to be one of the challenges that all businesses run into. Users are going to want to use new tools because they think it's going to make their life easier, but they're not going to think about either what are they giving up, because if they're not paying for the tool, the first thing you got to remember, if you're not paying for it, you are the product. They are selling you to someone else to go sell you advertising. But the second piece is, what are the risks if that data gets out? Whether it's in that very early Samsung use case with GPT-3, where they were pasting stuff and that became, or any, even the co-pilots and stuff. If you're putting your code out, maybe they'll say in the terms of use, you have permission for your data, but they can go use the response to go train on. There's data leakage there.